This is my mother. My mother is cooking dinner for the family. This is my father. My father is reading a newspaper. This is my sister. My sister is drawing colorful flowers. This is my brother. My brother is building a toy tower. This is my grandmother. My grandmother is baking cookies. This is my grandfather. My grandfather is watering the garden. This is a baby. The baby is crawling on the carpet. This is my family. We are eating dinner together. This is my uncle. My uncle is fixing the bicycle. This is my aunt. My aunt is planting flowers. My is cooking dinner in the kitchen. Be mother. My is reading a newspaper on the sofa. Father. My is drawing colorful flowers. See, sister. My is building a toy tower. Brother. My is baking cookies. See, grandmother. My is watering the garden. Grandfather. The is crawling on the carpet. See, baby.